Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this video we are going to analyze the kind of coins that actually survive the bear market. We are going to see the past performance of how the altcoins actually performed within the bear market, and then what are the risks involved, like what can we expect from it, so that we do the risk management properly. I will be talking about the best altcoin, which is Ethereum itself. As we all know, like after Bitcoin, we all know about Ethereum. And below that, like some of the coins that we feel that never may go down to that extent within the bear market. What all is possible. I'm going to show you with the real charts of what happened in the past, so that we do put our money in the right places in the right way. And more than anything else, it also brings an opportunity that the bear market is one of the best opportunity to make those big sum of money that will convert to millions of dollars. We are also going to see that, and like how actually people made that. So analyzing both sides of the coin, and seeing like some of the coins which may never recover as well, like what kind of coins are these. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end, so that we guys are equipped with the best of knowledge, seeing what all coins should we consider to invest in. And again guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances to the max. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. So let us begin with the first coin, and that is the Ethereum. After Bitcoin, definitely we all have heard the story. In 2017, the Bitcoin reached $19,000, and then from there it went as long for the next 3 to 4 years, like it went minimum till $3,000. That is like people were from outside the crypto industry, that is like 70%, 80% downfall. But we do not know of the altcoins. Like a lot of altcoins actually went 99% down, some of them 95% down, and some of the coins went 99% down and never got back. In fact, majority of the altcoins, in fact, the top 20 coins that you see right now, top 50 coins that you see right now, it will be completely a different picture 5 years down the line. So we need to assess what kind of risk. For example, this one, Ethereum, right now it is sitting at $2,579, which with a $309 billion market capitalization. Definitely because it is having the maximum amount of usage in the world, the maximum amount of coin, like the network effect this particular coin enjoys. Now let us try to see what happened. Like earlier in 2014-15, like the price was okay, not even $1. Some of the people got in here, and obviously the founders and a lot of people close by got in here. And then within the 2017, after 2016 having like the price started increasing, it went to the height of $300. That was the first top. And then by 2018, this big top, blow off top came, and that went as high as $1,400. So this was the high of that bull market. And then afterwards, like a lot of people were like, okay, yes, it is going to come back. Sometimes the recovery rally started happening and stuff, and then from there it went down and down and down. This is the bear market has already started, and then a little bit of relief rally. People thought, okay, it is going to come back. This is the best coin, by the way, guys. They survived all the bear markets all through, while having the best network effect. From 1,400 and approximately $1,400, as you can see, we have come down more than 94%. And in fact, like this is $95. It was said like it came down up till $83 in March 2022 crash, like March 2020 crash. So just imagine this much up and down, like from $1,400. Nobody could have thought it will come down like 95% down. It actually did. 95% down from the top. And guess what? Those were the time, because if anybody believed, okay, Ethereum is having a great network effect, this was one of the best time to accumulate. Just imagine, from here, if you would have put like $2,000 and would have got 20 Ethereum, just to give the example, like at the top, Ethereum went $5,000, and you would have got $100,000. So that means you would have $2,000 would have been converted into $100,000, and definitely somebody who would have invested over here must be like rich by now. But this is the thing, guys, like we have come down 95%, and this is the best coin out of all. Now let us see another coin. Let's say the BNB. BNB was released in 2017, and what happened to this particular coin? So if I try to see, obviously, I mean at the start it went as high as $18, and then obviously, I mean, it never went through that bull market, the big boom bull market, because obviously it came earlier itself. So within the bull market of 2018, it went as high as $20, and then got back like 60-70% down over here. As you can see, I mean $8, like 60-70% down, because it never saw that bull market and bear market, because this was just a starting period. And right now it is really high. Obviously the main money making opportunity was over here. Somebody who would have bought all along, does not matter whether you bought it over here, whether you bought it over here. Obviously this is like 5 times of this, but when you see that big jump when the bull run comes, I mean, this is how the kind of gains that people can make. And in fact, the next bull run, definitely because of the network effect, it is going to go a lot higher. But the bear market scenario, as I told you guys, I mean, yes, we have to be cautious, and these are one of the best coins that is here to stay. BNB is like the best of all the lot. Let us try to see the Cardano. Cardano, obviously we all know this is pretty good coin fundamentally. Obviously it is down very much right now, because obviously it is sitting already at $27 billion market capitalization. That's pretty high. It went as high as $3. Let us try to see. Within the 2017 bull market, it reached the height of $1.12, and over here if somebody would have put like I mean, they would have 50x their money, as you can see. But let's see, from $1.02 to as low as it went, you can see 0.03. That is more than 97% down. Just imagine, guys, more than 97% down within the bear market. This is the altcoin that we are talking about. When Bitcoin hit from $18,000 to $3,000, these coins, the best, I mean, the fundamentals are very strong, are here to stay. These are not the scammy coins. They went as low as 97%. And guess what? If you happen to recognize, okay, the bear market is going and the coin is having a great fundamental, what was the best time to accumulate? These were the best time to accumulate. Just imagine, there came a point, remember, it went like 1 cent, as low as 1 cent or 2 cents. Somebody would have got 2 cents at 2 cents, right? Obviously at the height it went $3. They would have 100x their money. So the counter side of the lesson, that we have to find the best of the coins within the bear market, and those are the best money making opportunities when we can accumulate and buy every day and just wait patiently for the bull run to come. Once the bull run comes, that is when we make those 10x, 20x, 50x gains. But we also have to be cautious that this is not the place to be FOMOing in. You have to be very active within the bull run, that when you're buying, you have to take the profit and get out, right? Because the buying period is in the bear market. Within the bull market, you can come as low as 97%. So right now, what I feel that, okay, the bull market is not over yet. Personally, I feel that 2022, again, like we are going to climb back, but there is an ugly side of the bear market as well. So we need to manage our risk at the same time and see this as an opportunity, that whenever we see that bear market, we accumulate the best of the coins. Now, I mean, just imagine, like if you try to see the Polygon, I mean, obviously it is having a great network effect. Right now, $1.40. At the height, it went $2.90. I mean, it was launched in 2019 itself. Just imagine, like, this is half a cent. Just imagine, guys, half a cent. And this is almost like 800 times making your money. 800 times. Like from here, from the bottom, somebody, let's say if not from here, like let's say somebody would have got at 1 cent. From there, you would have made 290 times your money. Somebody who would have put $1,000 during these bear market, like would have easily made 6 figures, like $100,000, $200,000. From $1,000, you would have converted your $1,000 into, I mean, not just $200,000, sometimes $300,000. Some of the people putting the money at this point, like, I mean, this is like $400,000, $500,000. I mean, that is a kind of an insane gain opportunity. If the coin is good, we happen to find the right coins during the bear market. But the major point that I was trying to mention is simply that, I mean, these are the best of the coins, obviously. I mean, even if you see the Chainlink, I mean, then I'm going to show you the coins that never came back, like that never got back. This one, again, like Chainlink, it got started in 2017 itself. So from $1, it went as low as, again, and as you can see, all these, like at least 90% down. But the fundamentals being good, the bull run has come over here as well. Like at the peak, it is $52 right now, sitting at $13. So almost you can say 70% down from here, but 90% down would be like $5 if it is coming down. I mean, these are the kind of coins which have a great fundamental, but this is what can happen to altcoin during the bear market. So we need to be cautious. We need to be watching it, because I mean, obviously you have subscribed to this channel, you're watching this channel. We need to understand, we do not want to see within the altcoin to go from top to bottom, from the bull run to the bear run, or probably the time of buying is the bear market, but definitely within the bull run we need to be cautious that we need to get out before that long bear market hits. So probably try to make as much money as possible, as much profit as possible, and then get out. The reason I'm telling this, because guys, I mean, I can understand, like sometimes we are very not cautious. We are like throwing our money, our hard-earned money, and then at least, I mean, if we are ready to see our portfolio go that much down, that's fine. But if you are not ready to see, then we have to make a wiser decision. Now let me show you some of the coins. Okay, I mean, I discovered the exchanges are one of the best. Like, I mean, the exchanges, the BNB, because obviously the people are, network effect is there, daily revenue is there. So one of the best bets would be the exchange. But even within the exchanges, I mean, let me show you. So from here, let me show you some of the exchanges. It even exists right now. Let us try to see the coins that they have. I mean, I remember there was this okay, a lot of exchanges out there. I want to show you one particular exchange. From the market capitalization perspective. Okay, so I mean, obviously the volume is pretty low in these. Let me just open one of them. I'm not sure like which one was there from a long time. I wanted to show you the exchange which has been there from a long time. And then we want to see the charts. So this one, this is sitting at $60 million market capitalization. Okay, this one started in 2021 itself. So again, like it goes really down. In fact, like one of the exchange, I mean, I happened to see, and a lot of coins, I mean, that went 99.9% down. I mean, it is like converting all your money into zero, literally within the bear market, and it never got back during the other bull runs. So we do not want to be in such a situation. So the reason to show you all these things, guys, is to make you aware that we need to be cautious. You need to be paying attention. Just do not throw the money onto the random coins. You need to be firm believer into the project. You're betting on the project's fundamentals, that it is going to have a network adoption. and you're betting your money onto that. Do not just bet just because the price was up and then right now down, so you want to invest. You have to study into the fundamentals and bet whether it will be having a mass adoption or not. And just like you are a Shark Tank, you're investing into the projects, you're investing into the companies. Some of the people actually invested within the BNB, betting that this is the exchange that is here to stay. It will be having the mass adoption, and guess what? They made 1,000 times the return. Like some of the people made like from $5,000. I know personally a guy who made from he's an influencer as well. From $5,000, he made $13 million if you are playing the right bet. So remember, the time to be buying, accumulating, is very much the bear market. Maybe we have missed the past bear market 2020, 2019, but the coming bear market, we need to see it as the best opportunity to be accumulating. That is when the accumulation should be done. At the same time, we do not want to be buying at the top of the bull market, waiting just for another further gains. That is the time that we need to be actually selling. Why? Because once we are bought at the bull market, be very cautious. If you happen to sense the bear market is about to come, you need to sell off. That is what the thing is. I mean, that is why those 99%, 97% down happens, because everybody sells. All the whale sells. I mean, yes, that is what happens. So we do not want to carry through within the bear market unless and until it is something that we believe and we want to invest in it for a really long time. Like we believe that probably, let's say, Ethereum is going to be staying for the next 10 years and I'm going to be investing into that, then I do not need to worry for the next bear market. I'm going to hold through the next bear market. I'm only going to look through within the next to next bull market. That is when I'm going to sell. That could be one of the possibility, but the point is we do not remain clueless. Like next time, if somebody holds and sees 90% the value is down, do not be surprised. It happens within the bear market, and if you're not comfortable with that, definitely consider getting out. And more than anything else, do not invest into the coins which is just based on the speculation the price is pumping. Just see the strong fundamentals that is happening within the coin, and those will be our best bets. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope I was able to convey the point I was trying to convey, and I hope that it was helpful for you guys to have a reflection on the kind of investment that you have made and the kind of investment you would want to make in the future, and utilize the bear market opportunity, as well as what do you expect out of the bear market. And definitely I do believe the bull run is not over yet within 2022, but we need to be cautious and be watchful of all the possibilities out there. So thanks a lot, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Smash the like button and comment down below for what do you think of the bull market, bear market, what is going to happen in 2022. I'm going to see your response. Bye-bye.